There are two ways to screen record on a Chromebook. The first one is if you click on the system tray down here and then look for screen capture and click on that. If you can't see it, your screen might look like this. So click on the up arrow here and then click on screen capture. And by default, you will see one of those three options here. Mine here is drag and select part of the screen. So I can change that. What I can do now is to click on one of these other options. This next option here is to whole screen capture. And then we have some other options here. We can decide to capture a still image or a video. If you want to do a video, we want to click on to the settings here, make sure the microphone's working, make sure the camera's on or off, and then we can decide where we want to save our work to. By default, it's downloads, but you can select a folder and you can even upload direct to Google Drive. So click on Google Drive, select your folder, click open, and select where you want to go to. Right, ready to record. So click on the screen and then just click anywhere now to start recording. It'll count you down. And now we are recording, and we record for as long as we need to. And when you've finished your recording, you can click on the record button here in the system tray, and your work will now be saved into your downloads folder. You can drag and drop it into Google Drive from here, but basically that's how to screen record on a Chromebook.